Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for creating stunning designs using Canva. Today, we're diving into a fun and innovative topic: designing engaging educational games with Canva. Canva is not just for creating beautiful graphics, it's also an amazing tool for designing interactive and educational games. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or a content creator, you can make learning exciting and visually appealing. Let's get started. Choosing a template. First, head over to the template library and search for educational games. Canva offers a variety of templates to choose from. Select one that fits your theme or educational goal. Customizing your game. Now, it's time to customize. Change the text to fit your lesson or subject. Add images, icons, and illustrations to make it visually engaging. Canva's drag and drop feature makes it easy to move elements around and create a layout that works for your game. Adding interactive elements. To make your game interactive, you can add clickable buttons. These can link to different slides or even external websites. For example, you can create a quiz where students click on the correct answer to proceed to the next question. Incorporating learning tools. Don't forget to incorporate learning tools. Canva allows you to create flashcards, matching games, and puzzles. These tools make learning fun and help reinforce the material in an engaging way. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export and share. Download your game as a PDF or interactive link. You can share it with your students, print it out, or even upload it to your website. And there you have it. Designing educational games with Canva is easy, fun, and a great way to enhance the learning experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.